Meet the all-new ElitePro-X series digital tire gauge by JACO. Features our patented lightning quick connect chuck that instantly locks on and detaches from the tire valve with zero air loss. Lock, read, release. Flexible 8-inch nylon braided hose, 360-degree swivel gauge head, calibrated accurate to ASME grade 2A standards, and 360-degree swivel chuck. Lock, read, release. Fast action air bleeder valve to air down overinflated tires. Professional grade accuracy without compromise. Anywhere the road takes you, choose superior products built to last. Choose JACO.